This video I will explain why UPI payments sometimes fail in Google Pay and how to fix it. UPI payments are usually very fast and reliable, but sometimes they can fail, get stuck, or show errors. To understand why this happens, you need to know what is happening behind the scenes. A UPI payment involves three main elements. First one is your UPI app, second one is UPI system, third one is your bank and the receiver's bank. If any of this has a problem, the payment may fail. We will go through most common reasons and simple fixes. First one is bank server downtime. The most common reason for UPI failure is that your bank server is down or slow. Every bank has computer system called a bank server. If this server is overloaded or under maintenance, your payment request cannot be processed. The fix is try again after few minutes or switch to another UPI app which is linked to the same bank. And you can also try another bank account if you have one. Second one is poor internet connection. If your internet is slow or unstable, your UPI app cannot send the payment request properly. The fix is turn on and off mobile data or Wi-Fi and move to an area with better network. Close and reopen the UPI app. Third one is daily transaction limits. Banks and UPI apps have daily limits like number of payments allowed, maximum amount to be allowed, limit on new UPI IDs or new beneficiaries. If you cross these limits, your payment will fail. The fix is you have to wait for 24 hours or try sending a smaller amount. Fourth one is incorrect UPI PIN. If the UPI PIN you entered is wrong, the bank will reject the payment. The fix is re-enter the correct PIN. If you forgotten, then reset the PIN using your debit card details. Fifth one is wrong account or closed account. If the receiver's bank account is incorrect, closed or inactive, the payment cannot go through. The fix is check the receiver's number, UPI ID or bank account details carefully. Sixth one is technical issues in the UPI network. Sometimes the UPI network itself faces high traffic, which slows it down or causes timeouts. This usually happens during festivals, salary credit days, online sale events. The fix is wait for a few minutes and try again later. Seventh one is app problems or outdated app version. Sometimes the problem is in the UPI app itself. This happens due to bugs in the app, outdated version, and app not synced with bank server. The fix is update the app, clear the cache, and restart the device. Eighth one is linked bank account not working. If your linked bank account is frozen under verification and flagged for unusual activity, then the payments can fail. The fix is you have to contact your bank and get the account status checked. Now we will see what happens to money after a failed payment. If the money is debited but the payment fails, then UPI automatically starts a reversal process. Banks usually return the money within a few minutes or up to 24 hours in rare cases. You never lose your money permanently. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.